All right, getting in breaking inputs from Rajasthan. Another child has lost his life after consuming a cough syrup, taking the death toll to 3. Remember, just 2 days ago, 2 children had also lost their lives to a cough syrup in Rajasthan itself. However, doctors have been given a clean chit in the report submitted to the Chief Minister in Rajasthan. According to the report by the medical department, the children who died had not been prescribed cough syrup by any of the doctors. Instead, the families reportedly gave the children the cough syrup that was kept at home, which is believed to have led to the deaths. In a similar development in Madhya Pradesh, 9 children already died following the consumption of this cough syrup, which is now being called the killer cough syrup. However, the state health minister has given a clean chit to the cough syrups again, saying they are not contaminated. Shireen Elizabeth joins me live on the broadcast with more inputs. Shireen, you know, this is not the first death we are looking at from Rajasthan to Madhya Pradesh, several cases being reported, but so far no action has been taken. Why so?
Well, Akansha, at this point, no action has been taken is because there is, in fact, a series of investigation that is being conducted not just by the state government, but also by the health ministry. Now, health ministry has asked the ICMR as well as the NCDC, which in fact look into infectious diseases, to see what could in fact be the root cause of the deaths of these children. So right now, the status as of now, the update is that there are 9 deaths in Madhya Pradesh, Chhindwara, that has been reported due to the cough syrup, and there are 3 deaths that has been reported in Rajasthan. Now, what the ICMR and NCDC is going to do is that they have collected the samples of this cough syrup. They have also collected the samples of the water from this region to see whether the water is contaminated, whether the cough syrup is spurious. Apart from that, if there is any vector-borne disease that is doing the rounds, that could be the cause of the death of these children. And to determine that, all these samples have now been sent to NIV Pune, and Health Ministry is of course awaiting the report of these cough syrup. But at the same time, right now, what is happening is that there is a parallel investigation that is being done by the state governments, Madhya Pradesh as well as the Rajasthan government, where they are not really blaming the cough syrup. In Rajasthan, they have been saying that the cough syrup were used, the expiry cough syrup was used, and it is not a case of spurious cough syrup. Even in Madhya Pradesh, the health ministry is giving a clean chit, the state health department is giving a clean chit to the syrup. Right now, of course, the report of the health ministry is awaited to see whether the cough syrups are the reason for the death of these children or not, or whether there was other expiry cough syrups, or if this is a case of an infection or a vector-borne disease, or whether the water was
what is it that you are learning,
areas,
Shireen? What is it that you're learning from your sources, if you've interacted with any of the doctors? Because reports are indicating that a certain salt that is present in this cough syrup is not to be prescribed to children, and that to children below the age of 2. Is it that particular salt that could have caused this?
Well, right now, Kansha, it's hard to even say that whether that particular component or the salt was in fact very much present in this cough syrup or not. But this goes back to 2023, because remember, there was in fact a brand of cough syrup that was distributed across the world, and especially in Gambia and Uganda and as well as Uzbekistan, where there was death, over 140 deaths of children were reported. And these cough syrup were manufactured by India. And ever since, the Central Drug Department has been very, very strict when it comes to giving license or giving a green signal to the samples of these cough syrups. So that is why the health ministry is sort of confident that it could not be a case of spurious cough syrup. It could in fact be a case of a expired cough syrup, or could be some infectious disease that could have led to the death. But right now we have to of course await for the final report, a conclusive report, to exactly know what could have led to the death of so many children in Madhya Pradesh as well as in Rajasthan.
Oh, absolutely, because 9 children, as you highlighted, in Madhya Pradesh.